Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your Android less laggy. To make your Android phone less laggy and improve its performance, you can take several steps. Here's a detailed guide. First, free up storage space. Go to Settings, Device Care, Storage, and check how much space is left. Delete unnecessary files. Remove unused apps, large files, and media. Use storage tools. Use Optimizer tools that is built in to your device and tap on Optimize option to start free up more memory. Next, optimize RAM usage. Limit widgets and live wallpapers. Use static wallpapers and remove unnecessary home screen widgets. Turn off animations. Enable developer options. To do this is to go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information, then tap Build Number 7 times. In Developer Options, reduce or turn off Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Next, restart device regularly. Restart your phone at least once a week to refresh its system, processes, and clear temporary files. Next, monitor battery usage. Check battery settings. Go to Settings, Battery usage, tap on View Details, and identify apps draining power. Optimize battery usage. Enable battery saver or power saving mode when necessary. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.